Welcome back, DIYers. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can change your key fob battery. This happened to us just recently where it said there was no battery in our key fob on our dash in our vehicle. And so I'm going to show you guys how you can change this. In this little key fob, it has a key on the bottom. You saw me open that up. Super easy to open it up. And then you can actually use that to open up your key fob right here, which is super easy. You could even use a screwdriver or anything that you can get in there with it. Super easy to use. Then once you've done that, all you're going to do is just replace this battery. And for mine, it was the CR2032, and I'll actually have a link below in case you need one of those. But you can just use anything. I used a small precision screwdriver right here to pop that right out. Once you pop that out, then again, just grab your new one and slide it in there. Try to remember how you picked it out, so then you can just slide it in there and make sure it fits in there just right. You can see this one has little clips on it. Then you're able to just take those pieces, put them back together. They just kind of snap back in, pop back in right there. Then you can also just slide the little key back in right there as well. So super easy to use. Now you should be able to go and test your key to make sure that everything works. And so that's what we're going to do, just to make sure that this battery change actually was the problem. So we're going to go ahead and crank it up. And once you press it, everything, now it is good to go. So that was the issue for me. It was just the battery. If this video was helpful, you can let me know that. You can leave a like and subscribe, or you can check out another video right here, and I'll see you over there.